Hey, I got it going.
Huh?
I got the fucking GoPro going.
What's up, boys?
We're gonna do a video today of this little doohickey over here. It's from Voodoo here it's in Hurricane, right? Daniel's got this for his Turbo S all done up. It's all, he'll tell you more about it later. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do that and then we're gonna go riding. So we've made a little bit of progress. We got all got all these off. We got all the accessories, seats out, all the cage bolts are off. You just take and pry these forward. Didn't know that, but they just go right around there. I was working on the last one. And then we'll be
Alright, where's the tape measure?
oh yeah, he wants to see the difference on how much shorter it is, because if you've ever been around a Turbo S, you got like 2 foot of headroom, so it's gonna look a lot better.
Okay, OEM.
Oh shit.
OEM from, we'll do this from ground. From ground to your highest point. Or should we do, there, let's do this. Let's just do from floorboard
To the top of the A-pillar.
50, 53?
Yeah.
Is that right?
Okay,
We'll call
we're
it
gonna do a
53.
at the this is the tallest point of the cage.
Would be 49. 49? 49 and a half?
Yeah, 49 and a half. This fella showed up. He didn't come riding with us today. Watch us film a YouTube video. Well, I think the next mission is to get these intrusion bars off. Well, actually, we got to get that cage on, or off, sorry, and then get this off so we can flex it and get it on. What are you doing?
Oh, just tighten some shit.
What are you doing? Cold? Well, the cage is on. A little bit of a fight here back in his back crossbars, but besides that, pretty easy money.
I'll come back tonight and pick everything up.
Well, you can pick it up real quick if you want.
I'll come back.
Well, your buggy's all done. What do you think?
It's a lot lower. So what were the numbers we said before?
53.
53?
Yeah. Should have been.
53 on the high side, no?
Yep. What you got?
46. So
So
it came down
for 7 inches.
7 inches.
7 inches.
It's quite a bit.
That's a lot, and it looks fucking badass. I don't know if he did it on purpose or not, but the color of the cage and the roof matches his buggy perfect, and his wheels. Matches it perfect. So if you guys are looking for something down here in St. George, definitely hit up Voodoo. That thing is sick. Can't really get a great thing at it because the garage door's in the way, but
So what we did is we ordered a full raw cage, and then we went through and scraped it up with what are those?
Scotch-Brite?
Scotch-Brite pads, and cleaned up all the bar riding, and then we went through and did 3 coats of clear coat after we scraped it up, and then the roof we got raw as well, and then we scraped that up with Scotch-Brite pads, and then did 2 coats of black paint. So Wyatt will show you all the top.
and they did a really good job painting it. I mean, I wouldn't bitch about it. There's no runs. That's what happens when your dad is an auto body guy and he teaches you how to paint, huh?
Yeah, I got pretty lucky.
Hell yeah. Well, I'm gonna save the battery and we're gonna go. Well, we made it out to Sand Hollow, both on paddles. This will be Adrian's second time out here. This will be Daniel's and mine's first time on paddles out here. You ready for this paddle experience out here?
Yes, sir.
Lalo's first time in the sand. You ready for it?
Fuck yeah.
Well, the next video should be us riding them. Well, you guys have seen us up here before, but Adrian's been here last time, but I had to stop and show Lalo, and this is usually where we let our belts cool down. What'd you think of the paddles on the way up?
Fucking gnarly.
I didn't get it on video because I was faced the wrong way, but holy fuck, Daniel sent it.
I'm used not to having that much power out here.
He had to have jumped at least 60 feet. And it was high. It was fucking cool.
All I know is I saw flat. I was like, fuck.
Yeah, he let this normal jump over here, where it's usually like 30 feet, little popper. No, dude, he sent it all the way to flat, about 60 feet. Oh shit. Yeah, these paddles are definitely a lot of fun out here. I know.
And the sand today is like super moist.
Yeah.
So
Super
that's
grippy.
helping out too.
Well, it's never a bad view to look at. My hands are shaky because I'm a little bit fired up, a little bit cold. There's some people out there. There's actually quite a few people, more than usual. It's a beautiful day out. Not too windy. I got to interview a guy taking a picture. What did you think about those jumps?
Dude, they're fucking sick.
Fucking, those are the biggest jumps I've ever hit. You probably didn't know that till now, huh?
No, I didn't.
Oh, getting it for the gram. Oh, well, hopefully we're gonna do a little bit better and get some more video. My fucking mount broke, so yeah, it is what it is. We're still having fun. Well, it might be a video mostly of us talking because neither one of us done very good recording the ride. But it was fun, and the buggies look good. And this is our view. Maybe we'll get some more dinner in and we'll record it. I am saying something now. Hopefully we make a video out of this.
already all talking.
Yeah, just gonna be us
Us showing up
talking.
and us leaving.
We wrapped her up. Maybe we can make a full video out of it with your cage install and everything. Units look good. New paddles, new cage. Until next time.